Do you want to know the secret to $1,000 days on Clickbank? Well, I want to show you in this video. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another fire video. And we're about to go in on one of my favorite subjects and what's going to allow you to crack that first $1,000 day. Sorry for the dog in the background, but enjoy the views, right? So because I've been standing back a little bit more and have this here and have a little bit more room, I feel more free. So sometimes my personality actually might come out, right? This is actually your boy, the Wolf of Marketing. This is how your boy acts, right? And if you don't know who I am already, just hit that damn subscribe button. You might as well, because I'm entertaining. I'm gonna give you practical value. I'm gonna help you level up in life, in your marketing business, right? Hit it right now. Good? Perfect. And hit that notifications bell. And if you guys want a mentor, you don't have one, first link in the description, grab access to my inner circle for affiliates. Now, what is the secret to $1,000 days in affiliate marketing? Guys, there's two things that really successful affiliates know how to do, and they know how to do it really well. So I thought that I'd cover it a little bit more in depth within this video. And these stupid ass people on this boat are loud as hell, so hopefully you don't hear them. Of course you're not, because I have a mic right here. Okay, so back to normal programming. Sorry for my rambling. It's been an extra minute of this video, just wasting your time, and I haven't even got into anything practical. All right, we're gonna go ahead and learn some stuff right now. Okay, so if you guys want $1,000 days on Clickbank, if you guys want $500 on Clickbank, or affiliate marketing in general, right? This is the key, guys. So in this video, we're simply gonna go ahead and cover two things. Number one is targeting. And your marketing message. Guys, the key to making a ridiculous amount of money, you can learn how to drive traffic, right? You can learn how to build sales funnels, you can learn how to do email marketing, but if you can't get the right message in front of the right people, you have no chance of succeeding online, right? So let's teach you how to do that. Number one is the targeting. Right? What we're going to do is cover how to actually target people. How to target people, right? So the way that we're going to go ahead and target people is you need to know your freaking demographic, right? So what is your demographic? And the best way, guys, is our friend. There's two things, right? I'm going to give you guys a little secret. Number one is Audience Insights tool on Facebook, right? Audience Insights tool on Facebook will allow you to actually do research on your demographic for your specific niche, right? So first and foremost, we need to know our niche. I'm not going to go into depth on that stuff, but let's just say for this example, for our affiliate marketing, our niche is weight loss, right? So we're going to go ahead and figure out either with Audience Insights, or we're going to go ahead and figure out with Google. Believe it or not, Google, right? So we want to go ahead and figure out the demographic. We need to figure out who we're actually speaking to, because my same marketing message would be completely different from a 15-year-old named Austin from Kansas to a 57-year-old heavyset woman named Gertrude in Alabama, right? My marketing message is going to be completely different, right? So before we even talk about the marketing message, we need to figure out targeting, right? We need to figure out who our avatar is, right? So what I want you to do is I don't want you to have a pen and pad in this, right? But this is your avatar, right? This is your avatar. This is your target audience, but we're going to make it one person, because that one person, when you speak to that one person, it's going to speak to thousands of people. Let me give you an example of my avatar, right? My avatar is anywhere from, so my avatar's name is Bill, right? My avatar's name is Bill, and Bill is basically, he's a millennial, right? He's working a job right now, but he sees much bigger future for himself, and he doesn't want to work a 9 to 5 anymore, right? He's tired of it. He's been the type of person who doesn't like rules. He does not like rules. He's never have, right? And he sees people succeeding in this online business, right? And he wants to succeed too, right? The reason why he wants to do online business is because he's seen what it can do for people. He sees the nice cars. He sees the nice materialistic things. But what's most important to Bill is not even the materialistic things. What's most important to Bill is the freedom, right? That's what he's chasing, freedom. And that's what he believes online business can do for him. And he doesn't care what online business it is, right? Anything that gives him these three things: time, location, and financial freedom. He wants to spend more time with his family. He wants to travel. He wants to see the world. He doesn't want to be in a cubicle. He doesn't want to work for this boss anymore, right? He wants to live life on his terms. Now, let me ask you a question. When I describe Bill, whether you're a female or a male, did any of those kind of like tap you like, damn, that kind of sounds like me a little bit? Because you're my target audience. You watching this video right now, you are my target audience. So I know my demographic of people. I know the age. You watching this video right now. Now, there's chances are that you might be outside of this, but there's an 80% chance you are obviously male or female. It's going to be majority of male because I know my target audience. And you're anywhere from 18 to 35 years old. And you go, oh my God, are you in my living room? What are you doing? You stalking me? No, I just know my damn target audience, right? I know who my audience is. I know who I attract. I know who I'm marketing to with my products and services. So the same thing, right? You do your research. What are the type of people who are interested in weight loss, right? And things that I might find, right, is data, right? And the data that I'm going to find is that people who are maybe 35 plus, maybe 45 plus is a little bit better, right? Because the older people get, the more it's harder to actually lose weight. And my target audience is definitely going to be women, right? It can be men and women, but I'm going to get more results if I target women for weight loss. And as far as specific areas, there are specific areas within the country that have higher weight loss than others, or not higher weight loss, but a higher amount of people who do try to lose weight, right? Meaning specific areas, the country type areas, right? So you want to go ahead and start doing this research and figure out the people that you're trying to target, right? So we got that out of the way. Now that we have our target audience, right, and we've done our research, after this video, go ahead and figure out, okay, weight loss or make money online or romance or whatever products you've decided to promote as an affiliate. Figure out the question, okay, I know what I want to promote. What type of people are going to buy this? Ask yourself that question. Start doing research on Audience Insights or Google. And I want you to go and create that character. Create that character, because once we have this character created, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go and craft our marketing message for that person, right? So now we're going to go and cover the marketing message, right? So this is going to hurt a couple of people's feelings. I'm going to talk about some evil stuff because we're marketers. We're evil, right? No, we're not. If you use it for good and you sell good stuff, who cares, right? So here's the thing. There's two types of ways that you can sell with your marketing message. Number one is with manipulation. Number two is with inspiration, right? That's how I sell, at least. There's other ways, right? But those are the main two. So one way you can manipulate people is basically tapping into people's pain points. So your advertisement should have pain in it, right? If you look at your sales videos, there's going to be pain, right? There's going to be pain. What is the number one reason why people take action? Or excuse me, what is the number one motivator? It's fear, right? People want to lose weight. One reason is because their fear of the health problems that it comes with. Their fear of humiliation that people, that the humiliation that it comes with, right? One thing about being broke, right? The fear of working a job all your life. the fear of working for a boss, the fear of lack of freedom, right? So knowing who your target audience is, then you want to go ahead and tap into those pain points with your marketing, right? So an example is, and I'm not going to point directly to them, I'm going to craft a message and a marketing message and storytelling that basically talks about these things. I'm going to tap into those pain points, pain, fear. So an example is, I might talk about, like my headline might have one of these things in my marketing message. My headline might say, avoid this one vegetable, or, all right, an example. This one vegetable is actually killing people. Fear. Or, well, that's one thing. We'll just leave it at that. This one thing is killing people. Or just talking about some sort of fear, tapping into somebody's pain points, right? Another thing is, this sounds terrible, for nothing. Now, I recently created a video about this, guys. Now, this is how I call it. But people want something for nothing, right? So what I say something for nothing is people naturally want something for nothing. So you prey on that as a marketer. Now, that's what I said. This might kind of piss you off because you're like, oh my gosh, this is kind of terrible. But if you're leveraging this stuff to actually sell good stuff to people, that's actually going to help people, right? Basically, you market to people based off of what their wants and their desires are, because people don't buy stuff based off of what they need. So you get them to buy it first, and then you sell them what they need. So what I mean, right? If, let's just say, I'm going to use words like fast, easy. Fast and easy is the two, right? Free. People want shit for free. Nobody wants to pay for stuff anymore, right? Right? Something for nothing. People want something for nothing. Lose weight without working out. Lose weight without changing your diet. All that stuff, right? And then eventually, once they actually buy my stuff, I'm going to tell them, yeah, you can do that, but you have to do this, right? Then I'm going to tell them what they need. I'm going to break down exactly what it is, whatever it is my product is, that's going to go and provide a solution. So something for nothing, fast, easy. How to make money fast. How to get results quickly. These are things within my marketing message that I'm going to use to manipulate. Yes, this is manipulation, mind manipulation, right? Manipulation isn't always bad, right? If I manipulate you to take action, to actually buy one of my products, and it allows you to walk away from your 9 to 5, and you don't have a 9 to 5 anymore, and you are self-made, you're your own boss, and you're living the dream life, are you going to get pissed off that I manipulated you to take action on something that you wouldn't have taken action on yourself? No, you're not, right? You're going to thank me for it. Now, you might not like how it happened, but it is what it is, right? We're not going to complain about that, right? So everybody wins. Marketer gets paid. The person who gets sold buys something that helps them out, right? And that's why, like I said, guys, this stuff can be pretty evil if you're using it for the wrong way. So you want to make sure that you're actually marketing something that is helping people, and that's ethical, right? So, and then another thing is there should be some sort of sense of urgency. So you want to always have some sort of fear of loss, right? There's limited amount, limited quantity, right? Offer's going to be gone in a couple of days. It's going to be gone in 24 hours. It's going to be gone in 48 hours, right? Sense of urgency increases conversions. And relatability, right? Relatability. You want to go to relate with these people with your marketing messages. I feel exactly how you feel. I feel the same way. I was there before. Losing weight has never been easy for me either. I thought I was big bone. And I just didn't think losing weight was something that was ever possible until I found transition into whatever the hell you are selling, right? So, with that being said, I'm going to keep this short. I can go on and on and on and on, but if you guys want more of this stuff, right, down below is the first link in the description. You'll get access to my inner circle where I cover copywriting, targeting people, advertisement, driving traffic, sales funnels. Everything you need is down below. Get access to the inner circle, and you'll also get access to my personal mentorship, as well as live coaching calls, question and answers. You'll get access to everything if you really want to get results within your affiliate marketing business. But this is just an example. Hopefully you gain value from that. You got to target the right people, and then you got to go ahead and reach them with the right message to get them to take action on whatever it is you're selling. And then it comes to making sure that offer is converting, and then all that extra stuff, all the other puzzle pieces. And then in no time, guys, you start applying these things, you'll start getting results within your affiliate marketing business. So if you like that, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, punch them all in the face, and join Wolves Nation, right? And if you aren't already, like, become a part of the inner circle, like, click the link down, like, right now. So, as always, guys, Eric Ellis Jr., the Wolf of Marketing, checking out.